Jay, where are we at?
We at Cars and Coffee Morris. Setting up.
So, let's pick up where we left off. What's on your mind?
Oh, something's holding me back. Something's holding me back. Back. Something's holding me back. Back. Something's holding me back. Back. Maybe it's all my new friends. Maybe it's the ones that say they need me the most. Maybe it's out of my hands, and I don't stand a chance against the path that I chose. Something's holding me back. Something's holding me back. Back. Something's holding me back. Back. Something's holding me back. Back. Is it the little brody that asked for a loan? He been worried about making it out on his own. Or is it the cousin that ain't taking care of him? Learn helping him isn't quite helping him. Is it the dope man that come to collect, depending on me to keep on coming correct? Or is it the best friend that don't really mind, sneaking in the excitement, cause his love is blind? Is it the women that see me a mile away, close the gap, hoping that maybe we'll fly away? Is it the pressure to honor my family? Am I who I am because I feel like I have to be? Or is it me? Me and my addictive personality, wasted all my time defying gravity. Now I'm stuck here, out of luck here, barely free. Something's holding me back. Something's holding me back. Back. Something's money I don't wanna spend. Bank account getting too thick and now I can't pretend like it isn't way better than what I imagined. Elevated again before I knew what happened. Is it the bitter karma that I know is coming? The price I pay for going all or nothing? Or is it the way I feel whenever I'm alone, thinking about where I'll be headed when I'm dead and gone? Or is it me? Something's holding me back.